welcome all of you guys into this great 2018. I wish you all the blessings, all greatness and prosperity, and that your dreams and goals may manifest this year.
Are you ready to go into the atmosphere?
So I know a lot of you guys have asked that I do a lot more Kinyarwanda videos with the subtitles as you enjoyed them and actually found it helpful and useful to learn from. So let's learn Kinyarwanda together. I'm super excited to introduce this new series to you, and this is going to be a Rwandese series in which I explore Rwandan tales and Rwandan sayings and proverbs using this book to help me, and it is called Imigani Kinyarwanda, Proverbs from Rwanda. And this book is actually really great because it has the Proverbs in Kinyarwanda, it has it in French, and then it has it in English as well. Focusing on Kinyarwanda and English, and each episode, each one of these series, or each one of these episodes in this series will have 5 sayings, and I'm going to do my own interpretation of that saying, and also we'll look at the English one. I will see you in my next video. Ciao!
You'll be mine, Tori. I'll be your Tori.